Hi, Dan from King Engine Bearings. Today we're going to talk about the RadiaLock. So the RadiaLock is a very science going into developing the engine bearings, knowing how much crush that bearing needs. So the bearing is designed based off the material of the block or connecting rod, the thermal expansion of that material, the clamp load that goes in there. All this is relative. So if you change something, you could be changing a whole lot for the crush. That's why it's important to stick to the tolerance that the main bore or the connecting rod housings are set to be. So how that's figured is once the bearing is installed into the block, one side is the same height as the block or connecting rod, and the other side is sticking above. So as this is clamped together, then is putting pressure out. So that pressure is used to keep the bearing retained in the block or connecting rod to keep it from spinning. Now, a lot of people say, well, I have this locating tang. The locating tang does nothing to do with locking the bearing into the block. It's all about the force that comes out, which is calculated out to meet optimum force. Because if you put too much force, you can buckle a bearing, or you don't have enough force, the bearing actually will start spinning in the block. Neither one is very good. To learn more how King can help your engine performance, visit us at kingbearings.com.